Welcome back to our channel. This series will talk all about the sales order process in Acumatica. Let's start with looking at the sales order screen. The sales order screen is always the starting point of whatever sale that we want to track in the system, whether you're going to enter it manually or use the quick order process. There are two ways to find the sales order screen. You can either search it using the toolbar at the top. Simply begin typing sales or sales order and you'll see that Acumatica will start to show you your options. The other way is to just use the menu on the left. Just click Sales Order, then the link to Sales Orders under the Transactions menu. That will open our primary list. From here, we can search for an existing sales order, or we can create a new one. To do that, just click on the New Record button, and that will open our sales order screen. So the first thing that we need to confirm is, which order type are we going to use? In this case, we are going to use the standard sales order type. It's already configured in the system out of the box. Your VAR can work with you if you need other order types. Next, you need to set your created date and a requested on date. Then on to the customer. As usual, there are a couple of ways to select the customer. You can either start typing and then the auto search will display the options that are available. You can click on the little magnifying glass to search and a larger list will display here. You are also able to use and save filters for the columns of data. Once we select the right customer, the order will populate with all of the default settings from that customer. Notice here, our sample customer, Good Food, has a warning next to their name. It just means that the days past due has been exceeded, but we are okay with that. Our sales team can continue with the order in this case. You can configure the system however you'd like. For example, if something is wrong with the credit limit, you can actually stop the process and prevent further orders. We just wanted to show how the system can be configured to seamlessly link the accounts receivable and sales department. Back to the order. We just confirm the date today and the dates requested, and now we can add an optional description or a note here. Okay, so once we have that, we just start adding the items that the customer has requested. As with most fields throughout Acumatica, there are different ways to select an inventory item. You can click on the Add Stock Item button and the inventory lookup window will appear. And then you can find the items that you need to include. We can choose the item that we want to sell and we want to ship it from the wholesale warehouse in this case. You can continue to add all the requested items from here, but for this demo, I'm going to click Add and Close. Another way to add lines is just to type it in the line itself. Just select it, click Enter. That will create a new line with the quantity that I selected on the screen with the pre-configured price. If a different warehouse is needed, we can change it at this point. This example will also demonstrate how adding a non-stock item would work. In this case, a training course. Just select it, click Enter. That will create a new line. So here, we won't have any default warehouse. You can just select it here. Select the quantity. The price is already set up and now everything is ready. You can go ahead and save the document. The system will assign the corresponding order number automatically, and it will change the status from hold to open. You can now review the tax details on this tab. Sales tax was automatically calculated based on our pre-configuration. The next important step is to confirm the shipping settings. We're going to do that in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and post any questions in the comments or the contact form on our website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.